Hey everybody, Williamson, LeadingLandlord.com. I just want you guys to come on a ride with me. I'm just getting out of the gym. I'm trying to get back on the horse. And I'm really thinking about the decisions we make, the questions we ask ourselves. I want to be, as I go into this 4th of July weekend and get ready for this a conference coming up in Jackson, Mississippi, which I'm going to tell you more about later. I'm really thinking about the questions I'm asking myself and the small decisions. Hey, you know, one question I hear all the time, I'm asked all the time, is where's the best place to set up an Airbnb? And to that, people are asking me where's the best place to set up an extended stay rental, because that's all I do is rentals that last for 30 days and longer. That's my specialty, and that's what I teach folks. So, you know, I respond back to them. It's not to be a smart aleck, but it's the best places where you make the most net income. That's the best place for you, is somewhere that produces the most money after expenses, if you're doing this for a business. If you're doing this for pride, if you want to get into extended stay furnished rentals for pride and ego, this video is not for you. But if you're trying to create enough cash flow so that you can have more at the end of the month and grow how much money you have at the end of the month after your expenses, and start building a cushion and start building some traction towards your goals, which might be taking a family vacation, might be putting a kid through college, a new car, anything you aspire to, or leaving your job is very also. If you're looking for that consistent revenue, I mean 5,000 plus, 5,000 plus, 5,000 plus, month after month, 7,000, 10,000, that over and over again. I'm not talking multi-million, I'm talking about consistent cash flow that you can rely on. Then the best place for a extended stay rental like this is a place where you have an extended stay hotel in town, where you have an extended stay America, where you have a residence inn, and we have multiple versions of those types of hotels. That is the place. That's proof. Those 200 opportunities. They usually have 200 rooms at each one of these hotels. So that's 200 opportunities for you to snag someone, serve them better in a more meaningful way than these hotels are. You got to know, as a backdrop, staying at these hotels for more than, I say, a week, you start just to go crazy with the repetitiveness and seeing the same thing and feeling disconnected from the community, away from your family, away from your pets, and away from your loved ones, and unsettled. Inside of a furnished rental, on the other hand, you can start to feel somewhat connected, like you have control of your environment, and you can have places for groceries and things like that. So it is night and day, no questions, not even a contest. So that's why I say, if you have an extended stay hotel in your town, that means your town is the best place for you to set up a furnished rental business, or what other people call it, an Airbnb. So I hope that helps you. I hope that clarifies some things to you. You are not that far away from reaching your financial goals, and I'm here to help you. Okay, I'll talk to you next time.